Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is LG Soundbar SK1. This gear is connected to this TV via Bluetooth. What I want to do is to show you how to reset the soundbar. We're going to reset this soundbar with remote control. The soundbar hasn't got any button on the unit. So the option to reset the soundbar is via remote control. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, we need to go to TV setting for us to see that the soundbar is connected via Bluetooth. If you select Bluetooth, when it's not connected yet, the light will be highlighting intermittently. But once you connect the Bluetooth, the light will be steady in blue color. If you connect it using optical, the light will be in white color. I want us to go to TV settings and go to the sound out so that you can see that the soundbar is connected via Bluetooth. It will show you on the TV. So select TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is showing us Bluetooth device. Now I want us to reset this soundbar. If we reset it, the soundbar will be switched off and it will show us TV speaker on the sound out and the soundbar will be switched off. You will see a red light on the soundbar. To reset it, you need to select power on button and minus together simultaneously. So 1, wireless audio device has been disconnected. So the soundbar is switched off and it's showing us now TV speaker. So this is how to reset it. So you need to press the power on and volume down. Now I want us to reconnect the soundbar and show this again to you. Switch the soundbar on. Once you switch the soundbar, you see a white light going sideways. Then select Bluetooth. And the Bluetooth is highlighting blue color. SK1 is connecting to the TV. And it's connected. You can see showing us now Bluetooth device. Now I want us to reset it again. So select the power on and volume down. Press and hold it. So you can see, just press and hold the power and volume down button together. And the soundbar is switched off. So this is how to reset the soundbar. Press the power and volume down together. So this is this combination. Press and hold them together to reset it. So this is how to reset the soundbar. Thank you very much indeed.